A asks you to calculate the total mass of the population of Europe. So what you want to do is you want to take Europe, which is 7.0 times 10 to the 8th power, and you want to multiply it by its mass, approximate mass, which is 62 kilograms. Okay, this is average mass of a person. Okay, so you want to multiply 62 by 7.0 times 10 to the power of 8, scientific notation. And to do this, you can put it into the calculator. So let's put this into the calculator, open up parentheses, 7, and we want to put in the scientific notation. So to put in the scientific notation, okay, pay attention, hit second function, and there's a little comma next to the parentheses. You hit that, and you'll get an E. That's representing our scientific notation. You want to put in our exponent, which is 8. Close parentheses, and you want to multiply this by 62. And there's your answer. It gives you your answer in scientific notation already. Therefore, the solution for part A is 4.34 times 10, let me double check what that was, times 10 to the 10th power. Any questions on A? Kilograms, okay. Good question. Yes, you do have to put in the units, and we are dealing with kilograms, so make sure you put your units in. Okay, B. Calculate how many more people live in Asia than in Europe, giving your answer in scientific notation. So you're taking Asia's population, and you're subtracting Europe's population from it. So from here, what you can do is you can, again, use your calculator. So let's put into the calculator our two scientific notation, 3.5. Second function, the little comma, get the little E there, 9. Make sure you close parentheses, minus 7 times, you don't need the times there, 7 parentheses, put in the 8, close parentheses, and hit enter. Now, if you get this as your answer, it's not wrong, but the question asks you to have it in scientific notation. So what you need to do is you need to change your mode. Okay, so you have to go to mode, and you'll notice that it's blinking on normal. Tab over one, and it'll be blinking over SCI. That stands for scientific notation. Hit enter. Okay, so now it's standard in scientific notation. Get out of this. Okay, and we want to see what our solution is in scientific notation. So to do that, you do not have to input the whole problem all over again. Hit second function. Next to the enter button, it's the little minus or the negative sign. Hit that, and you'll see that it gives you the answer. Hit enter. It takes the solution from the previous problem, and it's going to write it out in scientific notation. So your answer here will be 2.8 times 10 to the 9th. Any questions? Now the last part, C. You want to represent this as a percent. Express the population of Europe as a percentage of the population of Asia. So you want to put Europe on top because it's Europe per Asia. So it's 3.5 times 10 to the 9th. And you have to divide because you're looking to have this as a percent. So you need to divide the two populations. Again, put it into the calculator. So what are we going to get? We're going to get 7, second function, the comma, put in the 8, close parentheses, divided by 3.5, put in the 9, close parentheses. And you're going to get your answer is 2e to the negative 1. We didn't put the mode back to normal. So if you see this, don't get nervous. It's not a big deal. You have to change your mode back to normal mode. So let's go back to hit mode, enter. And let's do the same thing. Hit second function, answer, and there's your answer. Okay? 0.2. But it's asking to have it as a percent. So 0.2 as a percent will be 20%. So the shortcut to change a decimal to a percent, don't tell anybody I'm telling you this, you move the decimal place 2 places to the right, and you get 20%. This is equivalent to multiplying by 100. So to change a decimal to a percent, so a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. Or the little shorthand, move decimal 2 places to the right. You didn't hear that from me. So that's problem number 4.